Hi, my name is Yadira Dominguez, and I will be presenting on brown howler monkeys. So their taxonomic position, their scientific name is Aluta gariba. They're from the order Primates and the suborder Haplorini and the infraorder Semiformes. They're from the family Alytidae and the genus Aluta. Their geographical distribution, they're mostly found in the Atlantic forest, which is mostly in Brazil and a small part of Argentina is where you can find these brown howler monkeys. Their habitat ranges from temperate forest to also tropical, subtropical, and lowland forest. And for behavior, they spend most of the time in the canopy. Uh, The description is they have a lifespan of about 15 to 20 years on average in the wild, but that could be higher if they are in captivity. The tip of their tail is also lacking fur, similar to some other monkeys. Brown howler monkeys' fur is brown to a dark red. Their faces tend to be black and also lack fur. The same goes with their ears. There is sexual dimorphism with these monkeys. Males are 6.7 kilograms on average, and they also tend to be darker on their limbs, which I will show you in the next slide. And the females tend to be smaller at 4.4 kilograms on average, and their body is completely one color, usually. And they get to be about 56 to 92 centimeters in length, with males being on the larger side. So as you can see here, the one on the right here is mostly one solid color, which is more of a brown red. And this one over here, you can see on its limbs, it's actually significantly darker in some areas than others. Their bellies usually are lighter though. Howler monkeys have a diet that mainly consists of fruits and leaves. So they prefer to eat the young leaves, but they will go and eat mature leaves as well. They consume flowers and seeds on top of that, but their diet does vary depending on the time of the year. So whatever is most energy efficient and available is what they'll consume. Social organization. Howler monkeys are diurnal. The groups do vary, so you can have single male, single female. You can have multi-male, multi-female groups, as well as a single male and multi-female group. They partake in allogrooming, with mostly the females grooming the males. And communication, they communicate through howls, and I will show that later in my presentation. They do this to warn of predators as well as to communicate mating or food that was found, and also just to warn other groups that are nearby that this is their territory. So conservation, brown howler monkeys are considered to be a vulnerable species according to the IUCN Red List. The population is declining, and the threats are yellow fever, which once these monkeys catch it, does run rampant. They are working on a vaccine, I believe, in order to help deal with this problem. They also face hunting and habitat loss, like many other animals. So a fun fact about brown howler monkeys is that they can actually be heard from almost a mile away, which 1 to 2 kilometers. And they are one of the loudest animals on Earth. When they're in groups, they're easier to hear, and in their mouth, they almost form this resonating chamber, which causes that noise. Now I'm going to show you a quick video just so that you can hear how these howler monkeys sound. And these are a list of the references I used in order to put together this presentation. Thank you so much for watching.